welcome back to Mouthful, the cocktail and cooking show with me, Lisa Potter-Dixon.
And me, Dominic Franks.
We are doing a real winter warmer of an episode today.
We really are.
Yes.
I am cooking a wonderful coconut and cauliflower soup.
He said the S word, people. He said the S word. You know how I feel about that.
What are you cooking?
Oh, not soup, I can tell you that. But I am making a Boozy hot chocolate.
So chocolate soup.
No!
Chocolate soup.
Boozy hot chocolate. Okay, let's get on with this bloody soup if we have to.
Why don't you like soup?
I don't know. I've had this conversation with you so many times. I like chicken and sweet corn soup from the Chinese shop. I love pho and I love Heinz tomato soup.
Oh, you.
And that's it. But you're convinced I'm going to like this.
You will absolutely adore this. First of all, it includes the cauliflower, which is kind of like the vegetable of the year.
Is it according to who?
Me.
Vegetable of the year.
And do you know where they grow these?
In the ground?
No, not where physically, where locatedly.
In Collie?
In Lincolnshire.
Do they?
Yes.
What, is that the only place in the world that grows them?
No.
Okay.
But British cauliflowers
Okay.
are grown in Lincolnshire.
And if you don't know the link, see what?
Oh, you're very clever.
Because that's where Dom lives. So, hold on a minute. You putting the leaves in?
Do not waste anything. A couple of carrots.
Yeah.
And these are going to roast in a gloriously hot oven for about half an hour. So we get that nice, nutty, roasty flavour as well.
Those two things?
Yeah, just those two things.
With some olive oil. Okay. And that's it?
That's it, literally.
Salt and pepper?
A little bit of salt and pepper.
Okay. So what are they going on, about 220 if they're
No, not really hot, because you don't want them to burn. You want them to get a little bit.
Sorry, you called it a gloriously hot oven, so I thought it was going to be boiling. So like 180?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just smush them around and into the oven they go.
Okay.
Whilst the cauliflower and the carrots are roasting away in the oven, we're going to make the base of the soup. Mm-hmm. And all good soups start with a bit of onion. And I'm going to put a bit of leek in as well.
Okay, why is this? Because what do they call this again? When you had the carrot in as well. And you
Sofrito!
Right, people say to me all the time, why haven't you put the sofrito in? I'm like, why would I? But why?
Because it's a wonderful melange of flavours. It's really delicious.
That's usually celery, right? And what have you put, leek?
I put leek.
I do love
and
leek.
Onion. Yeah, it's got a really nice flavour, hasn't it? And very much in season right now. Okay, that has been sautéing away for about 6 minutes, and you can see it's all wonderfully translucent and gorgeous.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
And now we're going to pack it with flavour. So the first thing I'm going to do is a little bit
A mini bit of garlic.
That's quite a large piece of garlic.
I know what's coming, which is why I said mini, actually.
All right, okay, so we have the option of the mini grater or the giant grater.
I think, Dawn, did we get this one in a Christmas cracker or something? Yeah.
I think I'm going to go for the big one just because.
This one's got hearts on the side.
Oh, so cute.
You're going to go for the big one?
Yeah, just to kind of get it done. And grating the garlic in just kind of speeds the process up, really. But this is ginger.
Oh.
It's like a thumb-sized piece of ginger.
Sorry, there's a big old thumb.
Giant thumb.
Yeah, it's a giant thumb. You should have done that with your mini grater.
Do you reckon?
Oh, hold on. Hold your horses. Don't want to lose all of that
I
joy.
love fresh ginger. Do you like ginger?
I love ginger so much.
Do you like powdered ginger as well? Like, do you like ginger cake?
Yeah. How many ginger things are there?
Ginger nuts?
Ginger, oh
Do you like ginger beer?
Yeah.
So this is red Thai curry paste. Now, you can make your own, but I mean, this stuff's really good.
Yeah.
And obviously go as strong as you want. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons.
How spicy is that?
Not hideously, but we all like spice, right?
Not really, but sure.
Oh, really?
Now, I haven't got a choice.
Lisa.
No, I'm like a medium, absolute max. I have to put Greek yogurt with everything.
Well, we can put Greek yogurt with this. It'll be gorgeous.
You are putting coconut milk in, I can see
I
it in the
am,
corner.
yeah, that's going to be lovely. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, which will kind of make everything go this incredibly golden yellow colour. Love it. And we're just going to let that cook off a little bit. And then we're going to add the wonderful roasted cauliflower and carrots that have been in the oven. This is then going to go in as well. Oh, look at that.
The colour is amazing, isn't it?
It is a really beautifully autumnal coloured soup, which is really nice.
And soup as well, you can store it. So you can make it on a Sunday night and then have it a couple of days in the week.
Absolutely, you could freeze this. Freeze soup, oh my lord. You could freeze it in little batches and then just take it to work with you in a little...
Yeah, it's like a lollipop. Guys, I don't like soup at the best of times, but like a soup lollipop.
Or you just suck on it during lunch.
Oh my God, let's not do that.
Okay. And then the final thing to go in, it's not the final thing, then the next thing to go in is the stock. And I'm using veg stock because it is a vegetable soup, so there's no point in putting a meat stock in, but you could use chicken stock if you must. And then that is going to bubble away for about 10 minutes just to let all the flavours combine.
Lovely.
Okay, this has been on the hob for about 10 minutes, gently bubbling away, and all the veg nice and soft and gorgeous. And now we're going to add the most glorious ingredient.
I love coconut milk. Because I went to Thailand this year in March, I love coconut milk anyway, but it literally was in everything.
Oh, it's just absolutely glorious stuff.
Wow, look at it. Just adds a little bit of magic, doesn't it?
It really does.
The colour of this, by the way, I have to say, is stunning.
Look at that.
Wow. So we're just going to use the blender. Is this going to splatter all over the ceiling? Do I need to?
Yeah, you need to cover it over like a giant tent.
Okay.
I'm going to go very gently because I know that you're very, very...
precious about my home. As we all should be.
Okay, so that has now blended up beautifully.
Again, I mean, even though, like, obviously it's now one colour, it is still beautiful.
And like a lot of Asian dishes, when you add lime at the end, it just kind of adds like a incredible, like a peps the whole dish up.
Yeah, I love anything with fresh lime.
Really gorgeous. Right, now we're going to serve this, and then I'm going to top it off with something really special at the end. So I'm just going to add...
Is this your special thing?
Just a little splash of chili oil on top, just kind of add a little bit of colour.
Oh, lovely.
Just make it look a bit more presentable.
That looks so nice.
Yeah.
Is it going to taste nice though? This is the thing.
A little bit of lime in each one, just to kind of finely flourish. And a grind of pepper. So come and get a mouthful of this. Okay guys, come and get a mouthful.
Okay, I'm dubious.
Oh.
It looks beautiful.
It smells so good.
It ain't bad for a soup.
You know what's going to go really well with this?
A Boozy hot chocolate. Let's make it.
Okay, that was delicious, and I feel like we need something to finish the meal with, but it needs a little bit of alcohol.
Yes, it needs a little bit of chocolatey goodness. Chocolate. Hot chocolate. And what I've done is I've boiled some oat milk. Now obviously you can use any kind of milk you want, but I'm using oat milk because that's what I drink. And I'm taking some delicious hot chocolate. This is the Divine one, which is the co-owned by the cocoa farmers, so it's fair trade, no palm oil, etc., etc. So we're just gonna put a very generous amount of that into, come on, look at that. Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna do 2 of these. I'm making 4 bits. I'm gonna mix it together. We might need more. I mean, who knows? We might need more. We'll have a little taste. Now, you can see we've got a giant bottle of Baileys here.
Yeah.
Guys, this is so easy. But if you're thinking, what do I do for dessert? Why don't you do something like this rather than a dessert? Because we're going to be adding a lot of stuff that basically makes it very dessert-like. So I'm going to put a good glug.
Do you know Baileys is really nice with cornflakes?
What? This is now perfect. So I'm going to pour it into our mugs before I top it off. So I've just used what we use for our coffee mugs. Whoa, look at that.
Oh, the smell of Baileys is just wintry,
Christmassy,
gorgeous.
isn't it?
Yeah.
We have got some absolutely incredible, extra thick, double cream.
So this is a real health drink.
It's so healthy for those diets. No, this is, look at this. We're just putting a scoop of that on top. We're not messing around, we're just putting it in. 1, Hot chocolate and marshmallows go so well together, don't they? It's like the most gorgeous, delectable thing that you can have. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. I'm now taking a classic flake, which, you know, you just can't beat, a crumbly flake. And I'm just gonna crumble it on top.
Oh, look at that!
We're 100% needing spoons for this.
Absolutely excited about this.
Look at that. Serve it with a spoon. Come and have a mouthful of this, baby. I mean, who wouldn't want that?
Another marshmallow.
Spoon it. Slurp it.
Yeah, I mean,
Oh no, that's so good.
that is it for another episode of Mouthful. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed these winter warmers. I guarantee most of you are off to go make yourself one of these now.
Absolutely.
Cheers.